In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change image resolution DPI in Photoshop the right way. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, what it really does, and how to keep your image as sharp as possible for print or digital use. Start by opening your image in Photoshop. With your image active, go up to the top menu and choose Image, then Image Size. This opens a dialog box that shows your current pixel dimensions and a field labeled Resolution measured in pixels per inch. You might also hear this called DPI, but in Photoshop it's effectively PPI. Here's the key idea. Resolution controls how many pixels are packed into each inch when the image is printed. It does not add detail by itself. Your total pixel count is what determines actual detail. If you're preparing for print, a common target is 300 pixels per inch. Type 300 into the resolution field. For posters viewed from farther away, lower values can still look fine, but 300 is a solid starting point for high-quality prints. Before you confirm, decide what to do with resample. If resample is unchecked, Photoshop will not change your pixel count. You're only changing how those existing pixels map to inches on paper. That means the document's print size will adjust automatically. This is the safest choice for preserving sharpness because you're not inventing new pixels. If the resulting print size seems too small at 300, that's your honest signal that the image doesn't have enough data for a larger print without upscaling. If resample is checked, Photoshop will add or remove pixels to match your new resolution and size. This can increase file size, and if you scale up too much, it can soften fine details or create a plasticky look. Use it when you must hit a specific print size and keep your increases modest for best results. You can also look at the preview and watch the width and height under document size. If needed, the drop-down next to resample lets you choose a method. Automatic usually works well, and options like preserve details are designed for upscaling. Once you're happy, click OK. Finally, save your image. Use Save if you want to update the existing file, or Save As to create a copy and keep your original untouched. For print, consider a high-quality format and avoid excessive compression. That's it. You've successfully adjusted DPI in Photoshop while understanding when to resample and when not to.